Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can change your camera on Omegle. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if I go and choose a video chat from here, right there you can see in the top right in the search bar we have this little camera icon, and once you click on that, the current camera will be displayed to you. So right here you can see from here you cannot change your camera. In order to change your camera, you're gonna click on that icon and then go to manage. Now it will take you to the Chrome settings, and you can see right here we are under privacy and security. After that, in permissions, you're gonna select camera. If you click on this arrow icon, all the cameras that are currently connected with your computer will be displayed to you. Now either you're having an integrated webcam, or if you're having an OBS camera or maybe an external webcam, those all will be displayed to you here. You just have to switch the camera, go to Omegle and just reload the page, and you have done. Now you will get that specific camera which you have selected. So guys, this is basically how you can change the camera on Omegle. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.